Hello India, welcome to Indian AI Production. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Jupyter Lab within 4 minutes. If you want to know more about Jupyter Lab, so I will suggest you follow the video link present in iCard, or you can find detailed video link in description box. So if you want to install Jupyter Lab, so in your system, it may be Linux, Mac or your Windows operating system. So first of all, Python package should be installed, right? So first open your terminal in Ubuntu operating system or in Windows. So just press Windows R and then write CMD. Then enter here Python. So here you can see in my system Python is already installed. If you have installed Anaconda, then just click here start, then Anaconda 3 and then click on Anaconda prompt. So here you can see base environment is already activated. If you want to change your environment, so just enter here Conda activate. Here my environment is OpenCV OpenCV tutorial environment, so I'm going to activate it. You can activate whatever environment you have, and after that you have to just enter pip install Jupyter Lab. So using this command in your system you can install Jupyter Lab. It may be Ubuntu, Mac or Windows operating system, right? So just hit the enter button. So within a fraction of a second you will see Jupyter Lab installed in your system. So next question is that how to open Jupyter Lab and how to use Jupyter Lab. To use a Jupyter Lab, you should activate your environment where you have installed Jupyter Lab. So in my system, I have installed Jupyter Lab in OpenCV tutorial environment. So I am going to open Jupyter Lab. So to open Jupyter Lab, it's a very simple step. You have to just enter Jupyter space lab, or you can follow another command. It's Jupyter hyphen lab. Okay, so just hit the enter button. So within a fraction of a second your Jupyter Lab server will start and it will route to your web browser, any web browser installed in your OS, right? So here you can see my Jupyter Lab is going to open in web browser. After opening your Jupyter Lab, you will see interface like this. Now you want to start your Python coding with Jupyter Notebook. So just click here in Notebook Python 3. It will create new fresh interactive Python notebook. Here you can see fresh cells. So here you can type any Python code. So I'm just printing here, printing hi, and you want to execute this cell. So just click here run button, or you can use shortcut key shift plus enter button or control plus enter button. So here you can see our code executed successfully. So it means that you have installed Jupyter Lab and you have launched Jupyter Lab successfully within 4 minutes. If you want to close your Jupyter Lab successfully, so you have to first close your web browser, click on leave. Next you should close your Jupyter Lab server. So here you can see it's your Jupyter server, so click here. In this way you can close your Jupyter Lab web browser and Jupyter Lab server. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn interesting thing about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, so I will suggest you follow us.